Hi guys, need to show you here how to do concrete slab work for this building. That should be a building for a new restaurant. So you can see here they put the olive thread. You can see the olive thread. That's for the wood stud framing. You can see like that's the elevation for the slab. Here you have three courses of block. You can see sleeve for the sanitary pipe, sleeve for conduit sanitary pipe. Okay, here and here you can see they lower down. That's for floor drain. That will be kitchen area. That's floor drain, plumbing work. And you can see the crack started from the pipe, from the corner. You can see corner here, same thing from that corner, corner here. Okay guys, plumbing work, the floor drain, water line. You can see here more olive thread and conduits. That's concrete slab. You can see crack from the pipe. They should put like insulation around it. And here you can see there's no control joint, no expansion joint. Okay guys, that's the olive thread. And here you can see sleeve for conduit. Same thing, sleeve for water line and electrical conduit. Okay, 3 courses. Okay, that's the entrance. So you can see the cracks here and there. Okay, cracks start from any conduit, so they need to put insulation. As I said, there's no control joint, there's no expansion joint. Yeah. Okay guys, so that's about plumbing work, concrete slab, block work, and that's over there the trusses. They will be ready to install framing. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. And here you can see they put silt fence around catch basin. Okay, silt fence around catch basin. That's what they did. You can see silt fence, you can see precast concrete manhole there. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you, bye.